You can't get picked up in certain areas of Alabama. It's only in 11 cities.
Republican Representative David Faulkner is hoping that will change, that his bill, making its way through the legislature, will open up all of Alabama to ride-sharing companies like Uber and Lyft.
It's going to allow affordable, convenient, easy transportation anywhere in Alabama. And the other big reason is jobs.
Faulkner says it will mean thousands of jobs. Cities will not be able to impose their own regulations on the companies, but will get a percentage of the payment from rides. An Uber spokeswoman said passage of the legislation creates a clear set of rules and recognizes that all Alabamians deserve access to safe rides and flexible earning opportunities. Hoover City Council President Gene Smith supports the bills, but with some tweaks. The bill says the companies shall conduct or have a third party conduct a local and national criminal background check. Smith wants drivers to be required to have annual checks, possibly conducted by sheriff's offices.
On top of that, there is no common database for them to use. It gives them their choice of databases.
Faulkner says the bill has a lot of safety measures, but he's open to discussing with Smith. Now, if this becomes law, it would be one set of rules instead of different city ordinances. Faulkner says that means a driver from Birmingham could go to Tuscaloosa and work the day of an Alabama game without worrying about different rules.